photography. I'm going to walk through how I'm doing my extractions off of a white screen. You see that I have 3 sample photos here. Each of them will be standard photo day poses. So what I've done over in Photoshop is I have an extraction, or excuse me, an action that is an extraction. And you can see all it does is select subject, select a mask, then add a background layer so that I can see the color to see if there's anything that I need to make corrections on. So what I do after I've done all my photos, or brought all my photos into the computer, is I'm going to go to File, Scripts, and then under Image Processor, I'm going to first select the folder. So I've got this small sample folder. Then I'm going to tell it to save my processed images into the same location. I'm going to save as PSD files. And then I'm going to run the extraction with background on. That's my action that I'm going to run. Click the Run button, and it goes through everything that's in that folder. So if I've got 100 pictures, I can walk away with no button clicking. And then when it's done, we'll go through these pretty quickly. There we go. When it's done, I'm going to go back into Bridge. I'm going to look at that new folder that it created and see if I have any problems with my extractions. And then I'm going to just clean up the ones that need some cleanup. I'm not including feet in the photo, so I don't care what's going on with their feet, but I've had a problem with these uniforms where this little piece on their pants or some pieces of their shoulder pads are not extracting properly. So I'm just going to go through, and I can see this is one of the ones that I need to fix. And then that one, ooh, lost a piece up here. No idea why it's doing that. Could be my lighting problems or whatever, but I'm going to go through, I'll make those corrections. I'm not going to sit here and show you how to make the corrections. You guys all know how to do that. What I'm going to do when I'm done all of my corrections is I'm going to come back to Photoshop, and I can run that automation, or excuse me, the image processor one more time to automate turning off the background. The only downside to doing this that I found is I create the file multiple times. So I do end up just going back and deleting one of those interim folders. Luckily, I've got space on this computer so that I can manage having all of these copies of the files. I'll keep my original file that I imported and then the last extraction. So I would just leave this. Actually, I changed this to, this is my PSD folder that has the backgrounds. Leave these options, and then I'm going to change my action that I'm running. I have an action that all it does is click that color fill layer and turn it off, and then I'll run through those again. And then when I come back to Bridge, I'll have another PSD folder. Okay, I'll delete this interim one with the backgrounds. And you can see these are just the extractions, and then that's what I would use to build my team. That's what I would use to build my individual photos. So hopefully that helps you with your extractions. Thanks for watching.